Next up, I'm at Rebel Roost Emporium in Gettysburg, Pennsylvania. I don't usually come here because they're usually closed on the days when I'm up here. So I'm kind of looking forward to going in. The last time I was here, I found that epic Holt Howard pixie planter. All right, let's get started here. So far the front rooms kind of look like a lot of newer stuff and stuff that was here the last time I was here. So it's usually around this corner that I start finding stuff. Like, what is going on with that fish? I know it's new, but I have to look at it. It's kind of crazy looking. Huh. Tiki fish. That is fun. All right, let me focus. Little pigs or cats. Are they cats or pigs? I think they're cats. Pigs. $10. Kind of an androgynous animal there. The brass cats are kind of fun. I've had those before. $25 is about what I sell those for too. Kind of crazy looking rattle. It's in the original box too. Oh, and look at these celluloid ducks. The colors on those are super vivid. It is very cold in here. I'm not sure how long I'm gonna last. What is going on there? It's not exactly what I thought it was. This chair is so cute. Unfortunately, I wish it wasn't completely busted. That would be a nice little vanity chair. Ooh, I'm kind of into these salt and pepper shakers though. $6. Those are kind of fun. Wonder how well they'd sell. I've sold stuff like this a bunch in the past. I like that they've got the butterfly. Oh, and they have a cat earring holder. Unfortunately, $15 is definitely retail on that. That's pretty too, isn't it? I think we're gonna let the salt and pepper shakers go for now. Let's see what else they got. Oh, but I'm seeing a random left-in choir boy. $10 with the paint loss. That's about what I got for my last couple I had after fees. I like the flower wall pocket. It's been a while since I found one of them. $12. That's a pretty good price. I don't sell those for that much. Only leave like a couple dollars profit. I usually sell those for about $17. What is this? This looks like 80s. Japan. Huh, that's kind of sweet. How much is it? $5. It's not bad. I could definitely make a couple bucks off that. It's not exactly what I'm going for today. This looks like a Lefton vase, maybe? Valentine's Day vase. Of course, they've got the sticker over the label. Definitely newer, 80s. Not exactly what I'm calling my name today. Close though. Yeah, this is that case I got that Holt Howard piece out of. Definitely nothing comparable in there today. I really like their display. You know, I have to say, I'm used to it being chilly in antique malls, but it is like at least 15 degrees cooler in here than it is outside. It's very, very cold. Ooh, that's quite pretty. Hobnail. It's only $5. I can't believe this is still here. I feel like I could make money off that. I kind of want to get it. What are these candle holders? Are they glass? They are. Not exactly what I thought. I was hoping they were a lucite. Yeah, that's really nice. I left it here last time though, and no one said anything, so maybe I should just leave it as is. I have to try and not get too excited when I see some stuff in this booth, because they definitely have more collector's prices than not. Like the Holt Howard. Whoa, $85. That's actually crazy. The Bluebird single shaker's $25. This is a really fun set, the croquet set back there. It's definitely retail on that though. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna be the booth for me. Look at how weird these are. Oh my gosh, I kind of love them. Ooh, lingerie salt and pepper shakers. Those are fun. That's about what I would get for those. After fees though, I just had a pink and black pair that were in a little bit more, a better condition. It sold for a little bit more than that. I'm kind of like really into these bangles and such. Kind of fun. Ooh, what's this? That is kind of pretty. It's not something like I normally pick up, but I kind of like the shape of that, and it's only $4.50. What is happening here? That is very cool. Whoa. I'm not sure how much that would sell for, honestly, though. Yeah, I'm kind of into this Stepan dish. If it didn't have as much paint loss around the edges, I would probably do it just in the spirit of switching things up. But I still got a couple more stops left for the day, so I'm not gonna get my hopes up. And of course, I noticed a boxer dog, Japan. Oh yeah, they're salt and pepper shakers. Those are kind of neat. I've had a set similar and they sold pretty well. $18, that's a little pricey though. Whoa, I'm obsessed with this clock. That is so cool. $50. That is really neat. Seems like a fair price. Oh, I see. The bell is, well, maybe the bell's not broken. Maybe it just needs a little TLC. Very cool. Not for me, but I definitely appreciate it. All right, one more level to go here. This is not how I remember it being. The lamb planter, it's not exactly. Ooh, I like these popcorn. These are fun. I've had stuff like this in my house before. Totally retro. Shipping nightmare though. And a little Napco bear planter. I've had that one before. A lot of stuff that's like close to stuff that I would be interested in, but not really finding it in here today. This is really pretty. I am not familiar with what's going on here, but it's very cool. I really like the colors of that. Blue glass ashtray, Viking, $18 though. It's probably around retail, honestly. If not a little bit on the higher end. I'm not too up on, it's been a while since I bought and sold glass ashtrays. I used to do it all the time, but I've been trying to keep my shipping weight down for the most. I will say, I've been trying to branch out, but there's not a lot here today that's my style, although this butter dish is gorgeous. Definitely not at that price point for me for resale. And the cat covered dish. Gosh, those are kind of hard to, $120? Good grief. Is that right? That's kind of crazy. Look at this, it's custard colored, $40. Yeah, I think this might be the end of the road for me up here. So I surprisingly left empty-handed. You know what? It happens. But I'm gonna get in the car and I'm gonna head down to Yesteryear. I will see you guys when I get to Hanover.